Let me quickly show you how to transfer your crypto from Bybit to any other exchange or even to a wallet address. So stay with me while I walk you step by step in this simple and easy to follow tutorial. Let's get started. For you to transfer your coins from Bybit to another exchange or another wallet, what you need to do is very simple. First of all, log into your Bybit account. Immediately you log into your Bybit account, you arrive at this page. Before I continue, if you don't have a Bybit account yet, then check the description of this video and you're going to see my link. Click on that link to register on Bybit, and immediately you register with my link, you have option to receive up to $30,000 on deposit bonus. Now, all you need to do is after registration, you do your KYC and you deposit, and you stand a chance of getting those bonuses. Now, I assume you already have a Bybit account. So once you're on your Bybit page, the next thing you need to do is you click on Assets. Now, once you click on Assets, it brings you to the Bybit Wallet section. Now, in this Bybit Wallet section, you are going to have two kind of accounts. The first account you see here is funding account. Then you have unified trading account. Anytime you want to send crypto out of Bybit, your crypto must be on this funding account. So in this case, mine is currently on this unified trading account, like you can see. If I click on unified trading account, you can see that I have BNB here. Okay, so I have BNB here. Now, for me to be able to transfer this BNB from this Bybit to maybe my Trust Wallet or my Binance account, the next thing I need to do is I'll click on this transfer. Now, once you click on transfer, it shows you the option to select the account where you are transferring from. So in this case, I will click on this arrow. Now, once you click on that arrow, it selects the unified trading account at the top and selects the funding account at the bottom. That simply means that you are transferring from unified trading account to funding account. Then the next thing you need to do is to select the coin you are transferring. In this case, I'll click on this BTC. Now, once you click on it, it shows you the coins you have. In this case, I want to transfer BNB, so I'll click on BNB. Now, once you click on BNB, the next thing you need to do is to click here. Either you enter the quantity you want to transfer or you click on these marks. Clicking these marks helps you to select every coin you have. Then the next thing you need to do is you click on confirm. Once you click on confirm, it's going to move your coins from this unified trading account to the funding account. So if you click on funding account, you get to see your coins. Then the next thing you need to do is to go and get your wallet address. So for this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to transfer to a wallet address. Then I'm equally going to show you how to transfer to an exchange. So first of all, let's start with a wallet address. So first of all, I'll go over to my Trust Wallet. Now, once you're in your wallet, okay, mind you, I'm using Trust Wallet as a case study. Now, that doesn't mean that it's only Trust Wallet you can send to. You can send to any other wallet you are using. Okay, guys, before we continue with this tutorial, if this is the first time you are coming across my videos or my channel, you are welcome to my channel. I'm Nelson, and I create simple and easy to follow crypto tutorials, just like this one you are watching. So kindly subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell, and like this video. If you've done that, let's continue. So once you are on your wallet, the next thing you need to do is to look for the coin you want to withdraw or you want to send into this wallet. So in my case, I'm sending BNB, and you can see BNB here. So I'll just click on BNB. Now, once you click on the coins you want to receive, the next thing is you click on receive. Now, the wallet is going to, it depends on the wallet, but Trust Wallet is going to show you your wallet address. You copy this wallet address. Now, once you copy this wallet address, you come back to Bybit, then you click on withdraw. Now, once you click on withdraw on Bybit, it's going to give you options to withdraw. In this case, I'll click on crypto withdrawal because we're actually sending these coins out of Bybit. So once you click on crypto withdraw, it will show you coins to select from depending on the coins you have. In this case, I'll click on this BNB. Now, once you click on the coins you want to withdraw, it will give you two options. The first option is on-chain. So the second option is internal transfer. Now, this internal transfer is when you are actually sending to another Bybit user using their email address or their user ID. So in our case, we click on on-chain transfer. Now, once you click on on-chain transfer, the first option here is to fill your wallet address. So in this case, we paste that wallet address we copied earlier from our wallet. Then the next thing is for us to select our network. So in this case, I will click on network. Now, once you click on network, it shows you the network. In this case, I'm withdrawing to BNB Smart Chain. So I'll select this BSC. Then the next thing is for you to select the amount you want to transfer. So in my case, it's either you click on it to type in the amount or you click on max. So I'll click on max because I'm withdrawing everything. Now, once you enter the amount, it will show you withdraw at the bottom. So I'll click on this withdraw. Now, once you click on withdraw, automatically it's going to try to show you a confirmation page to make sure that your wallet address is correct and the amount you are sending is correct. After cross-checking all these things, you click on confirm. Now, once you click on confirm, it brings up this security verification page. So all you need to do is to put a code they are going to send to you in your email address and your Google Authenticator if you already have Google Authenticator set up on Bybit. So in my case, I'll just click on get code. Now, once you click on get code, they are going to send you an email with a verification code. So I'll just have to go over to my email. And you can see the email they just sent me. So I'll just scroll up and copy the verification code. Now, after copying the verification code, you go over to Bybit and you paste that verification code. Then the next thing is for me to enter my authenticator code. So I have just copied my Google Authenticator code. I'll click on paste. And after clicking on paste, I'll click on confirm. Now, once you click on confirm, your withdrawal application is going to be submitted. Now, this literally takes just few minutes, okay? And as you can see that Trust Wallet has already sent me notification. If I check my notification, and you can see that I have received my BNB. And that is how fast it is to move your coins from Bybit to your wallet address. So let's quickly check our Trust Wallet. So I have to go back, then refresh the page, and you can see that my $8 is already on my Trust Wallet. And that is how simple it is to transfer coins from Bybit to a wallet address. So let's quickly see how you can equally transfer from Bybit to another exchange. Okay, now to transfer your crypto from Bybit to another exchange like Binance, this is what you are going to do. So you click on asset again, just the same process. You click on withdraw, and just the same process we used when we are sending to a wallet address. So you click on crypto withdraw. But this time around, what you are going to do is very different. So you go over to the exchange where you want to transfer to. In this case, I will use Binance for example. So I will go over to Binance. So once you're on the exchange where you want to transfer your coins to, the next thing you need to do is you click on asset or you click on wallet, depending on that exchange. But for Binance, we see asset at the bottom right. So you click on asset. Now, once you click on asset, it brings you to this page. Now, all you need to do is you click on add funds. Once you click on add fund, it will show you different options. But for our specific reason, I'm going to click on this crypto deposit. So once I click on this crypto deposit, it's going to ask me to select the coin I want to deposit. So I'll select BNB because I'm going to transfer BNB from Bybit to Binance. Now it will ask you to select the network. So always make sure you know the network. In this case, I'm going to be using Binance Smart Chain, so which is the actual BNB network. So I'll select it. Now, after selecting it, Binance is going to show you your wallet address. So I'll click on my wallet address and copy it. Now, this same thing goes to any other exchange. So I'll go over to Bybit again. So this time around, I'll paste my wallet address. Now, this is the wallet address I copied from Binance. The next thing I will do is I'll select the network. So always make sure you use the same network you selected when you copied your wallet address from the exchange where you are sending to. So in this case, I'll click on this BNB Smart Chain. Then the next thing, I'll select the amount and I'll click on withdraw again. And as simple as that, I'll check the confirmation, make sure that the wallet address is correct and the amount, and I'll click on confirm. Then it brings you to this security verification again, and I'll click on get code. After putting the verification codes, I'll click on confirm. And my withdrawal is going to be submitted. All I'm going to do is to wait patiently for Binance to receive my deposit. So all I need to do is now to go over to Binance and check for my deposit. If I refresh Binance, you can see that my deposit just arrived. And if I click on sports, you can see that I now have my BNB on Binance. And that is how simple it is to send your coins or transfer your coins from Bybit to another exchange or even to your wallet address. And finally, guys, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell, and if you have any question, do well to use the comment section to ask your questions. I'm going to be answering your questions. Don't forget to join my Telegram community where we learn and study together using the link in the description of this video. See you in the next tutorial.